Hi everyone and welcome to Journaling Junkie. As you can probably tell, I've still got this rotten cold, so please bear with me if I'm sniffing and sneezing. I've brought to you today this new nature-themed junk journal. It measures 8¼ by 6½, two signatures. It's one of those that, when you make something you don't really want to get rid of it, but it will be for sale in my Etsy store later on. So we'll go into the front. I've just bound it with this frayed sari silk that I can't get open. I've been up since 2 o'clock this morning. It's now about 11:30 in the afternoon, in the morning. So I'm probably not going to be coherent or any more than I usually am anyway. Okay, so the front, it's very plain, but I just thought it really suited this journal. I've used an embossing folder and distress inks. You see that wood effect. I hope the light's okay. If you hear grunting in the background, by the way, that's my Staffordshire Bull Terrier having a mad moment. I've added these little screw type brads and just a little bit of cheesecloth in the back, which you can fray a bit more if you like. And it's just got one of these little pins as a closure. I've backed it in this lovely, it's like a faux, it's not leather, it's not suede, it's a really nice feel to it. And it does have a bit of a patina with it. It's really nice, and it's sewn on ever so well. It's hardcover. So we'll get straight onto the inside before I start sneezing. If I miss anything out as I go through, please ask a question in the comments. I'm quite happy to answer any questions that you may have. Okay, so I've used a lot of paper and ephemera out of the collaboration that Artie Mays and Tracy Fox did. Herbal remedies, that's what I've used, but I've also used a lot of my own stuff as well. So this paper here is, I believe that's Tracy Fox's from the Herbal Remedies, but I've actually printed it onto like an ivory colour card. So I've made this little pocket here. Again, I've used an embossing folder. This is a little tuck spot as well. So we've just a little tag there and an envelope that I've made. These are both from the kit. I believe they're Artie Mays'. I'm not in any way associated with them, but the kits are wonderful. So if I can give any recommendations, I would recommend this kit. It's beautiful. So this beautiful page, I didn't want to cover that with anything. I don't usually cover actually the first page anyway. There's plenty of writing space in this journal. So here we've got a tag, large tag, and then this slips up, and then we have a little tag in there. And then a journaling card here. And then again, a large tag. I'm not sure if this is from Artie Mays' kit or whether this was actually a freebie from a website, from a Facebook page, I can't remember. I've done lots of my little lace clusters throughout. Here I've taken a book page and made a large journaling card. Pretty book page there. Love this. Thistles are my favourite, absolute favourite. And I've taken one of the cards, the postcards, and just embellished it. added this little bit of green lace detail. I've added in here Edith Holden page, so that you could cut these elements out as you wanted, or just actually add it in as a page or whatever. But I just thought that'd be really nice to go with this, and especially with coloured page as well, patterned page. Just a little bit of collage work. As I said, lots of writing space. Where I have maybe used a plain page up, I have tried to add in, you know, an extra element, so there's more writing space. So here, this is one of my own, I believe. And I've just added some of the new clear Crystal Nouveau drops there, just to highlight that butterfly. And then just a large piece of ephemera there for writing on. Excuse me for sneezing, sniffing. So on this side, I've taken one of the tags and I've filled this. This is one of the Tim Holtz little tag things, and I filled it with lots of bits and pieces from the kit, and just added this little cluster here. This one, I'll just have to move this now. I hope there's not a great big shadow on there. I do apologise if there is. I've only just seen it as I've moved the book, so please bear with me. Okay, so here, tuck spot. Just a lot of detailing on here. This flips up. And then in here, we've got a tag. This is the vellum papers from Tim Holtz. So a large pocket there. And then a little tag here. I hope that's not too dark for you. As you can see, there's lots of lace detailing adding. I've just made this little piece of collage work here. Little journaling card. The vintage book page. This is a Tracy Fox paper. And then I've just embellished these both at the sides. Corner pocket that I've tried to match up here with the page below. This is one of my pieces of ephemera, and again I've used the Nouveau drops on there, if it's picking it up on the berries or on some of them. And then another large piece of paper there to write on. I've not decorated this one up this time, and that's a little pocket there. Lovely journaling card there. Sorry, I just had to stop the camera there because I sneezed. It's from a really old, what's it called now? Medicinal Herbs book. And then here, earlier on, where was it? I'd cut something out here. And this is what's left from it. So I've just made it into a little tuck spot. And just made a little booklet here using lots of different papers. Tuck spot here. And some more journaling paper there. So as you can see, it's pretty full. Another tuck spot here. I've actually taken what was like a full page, shrunk it down, and then sewn around it onto the page to make a double pocket there. And here I've just made this little tuck spot, a journaling card, and I've added this book page in here that can be cut up to make into tags. This is something like 50 plants that changed the world history or something. So this is all about roses and what we can do with them, sugar cane as well. This is a little tag that I've made. So here we've got a pocket, and then just at the top there's another little tuck spot there. More writing space in there. Notice I'm skew with there, I do apologise. So here, a little tuck spot. And again, this is the Tracy Fox page that's printed onto like an ivory paper. This is actually made from craft paper at the back. And then I've coffee dyed some greaseproof paper and then multi-sewed on. I think it's given a really nice sort of vintage look there. Here we've got an envelope. I think this is from Auntie May's. I've not done anything with it, but I've added some little pieces of ephemera in there. You can glue that and make it into an envelope if you wish, or you could stick it down and use it as more writing space. Oh, that's come off there. So this one is, it's a pocket at this side. So that comes out. Journaling space. And then on the back, there's a little pocket here and some more writing space. I've not stuck it down, mainly because I've put the pocket on the back, but you can put that wherever you like. These are some lovely images of fungi that got from a book quite a while ago, and I use it very sparingly because I absolutely adore that book. And you know how silly we get over things. I don't like using it, but we end up with loads of stuff otherwise. So here, an Edith Holden page. Flip it out. This little journaling card in there, and again, I've highlighted it with the Nouveau drops. Just made this tuck spot, and also there's a tiny little tuck spot there, so you could have that up there if you wanted, or put something behind it. And get that central again. Although I never seem to be central when I do these videos. Here we just large piece of paper. I did intend to actually, you know, use distress inks around that, but can I find the ink that I've been using? No, but I will do it before this journal goes out to hopefully the person that purchases it. Okay, so here, just a little tuck spot in there, and I've just fussy cut this out and stuck it on the front. This behind is actually from the same book, and it's all about mushrooms and this toadstool here, so I thought that looked quite good in there. Okay. Lovely little bit of green lace on each side there. Just made a little collage here. Oop, bird's upside down. And that just pops in there. That's actually, there we go. So there is two little journaling cards in there. This flips open. Another little card there. And then here with another tuck spot. Now this idea, it's one that I saw quite a while ago. I think Tracy Fox did it, so it's my sort of take on the envelope that she did, though she, if I remember rightly, used a really big envelope. But I just remembered it the other day. I thought, oh, I'm going to use that. So some journaling paper in there. It's in there. And then it's just popped behind there. Again, some lovely book pages. This is from the Kate's Fussy Cut It, and I've laid it onto some lace and some dark coffee dyed canvas fabric there. I don't know if it's picking it up. And then some more journaling paper here. With lovely lace on that. Again, one of the Fun Guidebook pages. Artemis tag here. I mean, that could be stuck down and used as a tuck spot, or, you know, whatever you wish to do. I mean, you could even put it that way, or that way. You know, make a pocket from it. There's a lovely image here in the kit. Just on there, and then here, this is just a little pocket I've made from a CD case. It's actually a double pocket. There's one at the front and one at the back. Now just a little bit of collage here. This is a little tuck spot. And then we've come to the back page, and I've left this pocket to be decorated. So, that's what I've brought you for today. I hope you've enjoyed watching the video. I do hope, as I say, the lighting's been okay. And I hope to speak to you all very soon. Take care. Bye.